Collins simu. Kwa nimepita kwa.
So in most cases, you find that this is the door hook and this is the handle. So in most cases, you find the handle is damaged or the spring is not in correct position. When the handle is damaged, what happened? The hook cannot hook properly to the door lock switch, which will bring an error code. It will bring an EE error code. Then it will happen that this hook will be loose. It's supposed to be stuck in position, but if you find it playing, if you find it loose, you will know that there's a problem either with the spring or with the handle. If the handle is damaged, you replace it. So I'll show you how to replace the handle and the correct position of the hook. This is the correct position of the hook, and this is how the handle looks like. In most cases, you have to look here how the spring is fixed. So let me remove it. This is the handle for an G brand. This is the hook and this is the spring. So you find the spring pushes it in position this way. If the spring cuts or it's not in its position, you'll find the hook will play. It's not supposed to play freely. So this is the correct position. So if you are doing it for the first time, you might find it a little bit stubborn. So that is it. Then people fix it in different ways. With me, when I want to fix it, I align the spring with these stoppers, the two stoppers, these ones. So you align the spring with it so that it stops playing, so that the hook holds in place. So after aligning, I place the 2 screws first. After the 2 screws are in position, then you test the handle. If it's properly fixed, that is when I put the glass. Be very careful, the glass is fragile, it can break. And make sure the glass is properly positioned. This is the upper point. Here is the upper point of the glass. So that way, after that, you can now replace the hinge. So that's it's as simple as that. So doing it for the first time might appear a little bit complicated, but once you master, you know, fixing the hinge and fixing the door handle, it's very simple, it's very easy. So if your hook is not fixed properly, you'll get a DE error code if it's an LG washing machine. So thank you for watching.